Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss history related to Mahatma Gandhiji time period, very important for your exam point of view, especially for SSC and railway exams. Friends, in this channel, you will be provided with daily one GK video, one GS video. I have already uploaded weekly current affairs. Please do watch that video also. It will be helpful for your upcoming railway NTPC exam. First, we will see Gandhi personal life in short. Full name is Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. Popular name Mahatma Gandhi Bapu. Date of birth 2nd October 1869. Porbandra, Gujarat. Father name Karamchandra Gandhi. Mother name Putlabai. Wife is Kasturi Bai. Next, there are 4 sons: Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas, Devdas. Education: he studied law, in London. See South Africa. See, this time period is very important. In exam they will ask Mahatma Gandhi spent how many years in South Africa? Answer is 21 years. Time period is 1893 to 1914. See lifestyle of Mahatma Gandhi. He is a simple ashrama. Sabarmati Ashrama, Ahmedabad. Sevagrama, Wardha. These are the important books. My Experiment with Truth, Hind Swaraj. See, this date is important. 30 January 1948. This is the death date. Killer is Nathuram Godse. Gandhi arrival in India 1915. He returned from South Africa in 1915. This year is very important. In exam they will ask. He returned from South Africa in 1915. His leader is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. See Gandhi movement. 1917-18. First movement is Champarana Satyagraha. Year is important. 1917. Champagrana Satyagraha related to which? Against indigo plantation. British forced farmers to grow indigo. Result is what? Tantakatiya system abolished. Gandhi's first movement in India. In exam they will ask which movement is Gandhi's first movement in India. Champarana Satyagraha 1917. Next is Ahmedabad milk strike. Year is important. 1918. Between milk workers and owners. Gandhiji used fasting to support workers, and the result is they got wage increases. Next one is Kheda Satyagraha 1918. Farmer demanded tax relief due to famine. British refused, and the result is tax suspended for poor farmers. Next is Rowlatt Act. Jallianwala Bagh 1919. Rowlatt Act. This year is very important. Allowed arrest without trial. It is also called Black Act. Jallianwala Bagh 1919. General Dyer. General Dyer fired on peaceful crowd in Amritsar. Amritsar in Punjab. Huge hunting point in freedom struggle. See next one, non-cooperation movement. Year is 1922. See in exam they will ask during Rowlatt Act who is the viceroy. Viceroy is Lord Chelmsford. Lord Chelmsford is the viceroy during the Rowlatt Act. See what is the main features of non-cooperation movement. Boycott of British schools, courts, titles, foreign goods, promotion of the Swadeshi and Khadi. Ended because Chora Chori incident in 1922. Next is civil disobedient movement. Year is very important to 1930 to 1934. First we will see Dandi March or Satyagraha, Salt Satyagraha. See, date is very important to 12th March, okay, 12th March to 5th April, okay, 12th March to 5th April, almost 24 days, okay. In exam they will ask 24 days, and year is 1930, okay. See, Gandhiji marched from Sabarmati to Dandi, and total miles is 240 miles, okay. And exam they will ask, during Dandi march there are how many volunteers were there, okay. There were 78 volunteers during salt satyagraha. Next we will see Gandhi Irwin pact. See, important here is there is a pact between Gandhi and Irwin in 1931. See, this is a very important. First round table 1930, second is 31, third is 32. See, here important one is Gandhiji attended only second round table conference, that is 1931, held in Karnataka, Belagavi. See, the only person who attended first, second and third round table conference is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Very important. Next one is Pune Pact. Okay, Pune Pact is between Mahatma Gandhiji and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Issue is separate electorate for Dalit. Year is very important too, 1932. Next one, Quit India Movement. Year is important, 1942. Okay, started during the World War II. After failure of the Crisp Mission. Okay, started after failure of the Crisp Mission. Here, Gandhiji's slogan is important to do or die during the Quit India Movement 1942. See, these are the features you must know. Mass uprising, Congress leaders arrested immediately, parallel government formed in some places. Okay, in short one liners we will say Gandhiji came to India 1915, first Satyagraha, Champana Satyagraha 1917, Black Act means Rowlatt Act 1919, and the Viceroy is Lord Chelmsford. Okay, important one. Non-compression movement 1920, ended due to Chowra Chori 1922, Dandi March 1930, Pune Pact 32, Quit India 1942, Do or Die, Quit India. Gandhiji died in 30 January 1948. Okay friends, in short and detailed way I have explained Gandhiji period. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.